Are you looking for the best wireless mechanical keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best wireless mechanical keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. YUNZII IAL71 Keyboard. The YUNZII IAL71 is a custom mechanical keyboard to push your typing experience to the top. With an aluminium CNC machined body and gasket structure, the IAL71 is designed for premium typing comfort and top quality. The CNC aluminium keyboard takes anodic oxidation that can not only guarantee the colors are long-lasting, but also makes the gaming keyboard durable, corrosion resistant, and oxidation resistant, providing a better typing experience. This hot swappable keyboard with a built-in 4600 mAh battery. This wireless mechanical keyboard supports BT, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired connection fuzzy connection steps. Just toggle the side button to change the connection modes. Quickly switch between wireless connections on your PC, Mac, and more at the press of Fn+Q/W/E. The YUNZII IAL71 portable keyboard frees up your desk during work, gaming, or carrying out. 2.4G wireless dongle and wired Type-C cable are included. Elevate typing experience with IAL71, which utilizes a high-quality gasket material to absorb vibrations and eliminate any noise. The gaming keyboard supports 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switches, equipped with pour-on sandwich foam, pour-on socket foam, PET sound pads, and PBT keycaps. The solid 68% keyboard provides an exceptionally pleasant typing feeling, ideal for professionals who demand custom keyboard fun, superb quality, and top comfort. Number 2. Keychron K3D-V2 Keyboard. Incorporating the world's first hot swappable low-profile optical switches to customize per key typing experience with ease, together with all signature Keychron features. Connects via Bluetooth and switch among them easily. Featuring Bluetooth 5.1 chipset, the K3 offers flawless connectivity whether you're working at home or the office while connecting with your smartphone, laptop and iPad. The redesigned low-profile switch is 40% slimmer than conventional switches. Together with the streamlined aluminium body makes the K3 one of the thinnest and lightweight wireless mechanical keyboards in the world. We've overcome different technical challenges to redesign both the low-profile gator and mechanical switch and low-profile Keychron optical switch in order to elevate the typing experience while enhancing its reliability on the ultra-slim keyboard. We all have our unique typing preferences, that's why we went the extra mile to make the K3 the world's first hot swappable low-profile optical switch keyboard. We've implemented OMX-styled stem and stabilizers, and conducted numerous design iterations of the keyboard structure. Number 3. EPOMAKER EK68 Keyboard. EPOMAKER EK68 Custom Triple Modes Mechanical Keyboard is designed in a favored compact 65% layout to maximize the function while not waste a minimum of space. Housing 66 keys and one knob, EK68 will surely be beyond your expectation with the hot swappable socket and programmable software. Amazing RGB backlights. Equipped with a 3000 mAh large capacity battery, this keyboard supports wireless and wired connections. By the wireless option, either Bluetooth, up to 5.0, or 2.4 GHz can be chosen. By the wired mode, a USB-C cable is included for fast and stable transmission. Seamless switching between every device is like a piece of cake. EPOMAKER EK68 keyboard is equipped with hot swappable PCB to ensure free replacement or change of switches. You don't need to solder it. It is compatible with most 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switches, such as Cherry, Gateron, Otemu, Kale and other MX switches and its clones. Hot swappable sockets not only extends the lifespan of key switch but also provides more possibilities for DIY lovers. Despite the functionality, EPOMAKER spares no effort to present its aesthetics with a set of black and gold themed keycaps, made of high-quality PBT material via double-shot technique. The OEM profile PBT keycaps is durable, oil-resistant and stays true to color even after long-time use. Number 4. YUNZII X75 PRO Gaming Keyboard. Equipped with a 4000 mAh capacity battery, YUNZII X75 PRO keyboard support Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless and wired connection. Compatible with laptop, iPad, iOS, Windows, Mac or Android. No fussy connection process. The wireless connection is quick and stable. FN Plus Space can check the battery capacity anytime. 2.4G wireless receiver and wired cable are included, as to give a better gasket typing experience, in addition to the silicone gaskets on the plates. The X75 adds sandwich silicone sound dampeners to the plate and fully fitted large bottom silicone pad between the top and bottom cases. This design significantly reduces the gap between the PCB and bottom case, avoids the noise of the impacted metals, maintains the flexibility of the gasket structure, and improves the overall typing sound. Pursuing ultimate transparency. The X75 takes a high-quality transparent polycarbonate keyboard top and bottom case, clear keycaps, and transparent crystal switches. Number 5. Royal KLUDGE RK96 Keyboard. RGB 3-mode wireless keyboards on the market. Wireless mode with stable Bluetooth 5.0. Hassle-free 2.4G HZ dongle plus USB-C wired mode. Set no limits about your keyboard connection. Only 6 keys missing. The 96% keyboard with a number pad and offset arrow keys is built for productivity and a tactile typing experience. Hot swap PCB allows you to replace 3 pins/5 pins switches freely without soldering issue. Enjoy the fun of making your own unique keyboard. 3750 mAh battery capacity, durable to 200 hours with non-stop using under backlight off status. Fully charged requires only 6-7 hours. This wireless mechanical keyboard is armed with 2 built-in USB pass-through ports and 1 Type-C port, allowing to back up more facilities, low-level adjustable bracket and hand rest. RK96 with volume adjustment wheel and mute button. You can easily adjust the computer volume. 18 RGB backlight modes, 8 monochrome backlight modes and 1 full-color backlight. These modes will give you more enjoyable when you gaming or typing at night. Software DIY light effect, powerful game macros, full key programmable.